I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, here to talk to you about the grain markets. The grain markets are looking for fresh news to trade on. We'll get some fresh news June 30th, the June crop report, acreage report. Very big report at the end of the month. So rallies should be capped by farmers selling here. But I think short covering will be a theme as we move through this month into a June 30th acreage report. The chart patterns look like they're bottoming in here. Like I mentioned last week, look for a cycle low in the charts, and our first chart today is of the corn market, and you can see a cycle low here, bottoming pattern in the short term. We got to continue to have these shorts. Something happened to get them to buy back, cover their shorts, and certainly higher highs each day will do that. So you see corn took out yesterday's high. The soybean market, China is the biggest risk to commodities here. And China buys more U.S. soybeans than the next 10 to 15 countries combined. So they're very huge in here. They're not going to bail us out of the soybean supply this year like they have in previous years. Why isn't China buying our November soybeans at $9? Because they think they can get them at $8. So it's just huge, China, and we have the chart of July soybeans here, and you can see a bottoming pattern this week and early June, and short covering can continue to be a theme as we move forward. The wheat market, I think the chart here on wheat, you can see a little different pattern than the row crops, corn and beans. We had a rally off the May lows in wheat, and now we're rallying again. The uncertainty of the winter wheat crop, I think, is a very big fundamental here, and I think wheat can continue rallying. The weather in Kansas and Oklahoma has been so variable that we just don't know what the size of this winter wheat crop is. And this is the quality wheat that the world wants. So stay tuned for that. Perhaps wheat can rally, which is going to make corn rally moving forward. The consumption for our grain markets is robust, and irregardless of what the statistics are telling us, and I think the trading in the grain markets is robust. Volume on grains is 1.2 million contracts each day, and I would look for this to continue to grow at 2 million contracts a day, 4 million contracts a day. At the end of the day, the world has to eat, and the middle class has disposable income now, especially in these developing markets, and the first thing to change is their diet. So looking forward, what can move the markets next week? Certainly crop conditions Monday night. Look for the wheat market, good to excellent. That could be something. Continue to make wheat higher and corn trade higher, and some short covering theme going into the end of the month, June 30th. Have an excellent weekend. And options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.